Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix if Roblox is not opening or Roblox app is not launching on PC. Right now I'm using PC and I'll show you how can you fix it. I have faced the same error several times and I know how did I fix. So first of all guys, before starting if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, let's start the video. The first thing you can do is to restart your PC. First fix is restart your PC. If Roblox is not launching, sometimes restarting PC always does a trick. So you can try this out. And if restarting PC doesn't work, then you need to see the Roblox status. What is the Roblox status or server status? You can check it out. Let me show you how can you do that. First of all, open browser and you can go to Twitter handle of Roblox. Let me show you. So you can search here Roblox account on Twitter if you have account Roblox account, and you can go to Roblox handle and see if there is any post regarding the server down. If there is no server down or there is no update regarding the server down, then it's a device problem or it's your app problem. So you can have to fix this at your own. So what you need to do, if uh, if you have checked the status and it is fine, then you have to go to roblox.com and see if the site is working properly or not. And if it is opening perfectly and there is no notice here on the home screen, what you need to do, you have to click on any game on Roblox. Fine. And after that, first of all, what you need to do, you have to go to you have to search for control panel, and in the control panel you have to click on uninstall a program, and from here you have to uninstall your Roblox player. Just click on it and to uninstall it. Uninstall your Roblox app. Now once you uninstall it, now go back to the Roblox page here and click on this play button. Open any game and click on play button. So it will trying to load a Roblox app. If it doesn't find, it will recommend you to download and install it. So you can download and install from here. The installer will be download here. So you just need to click on it to install your Roblox app. So reinstalling Roblox might work for you. So this is another already installing, so that's why second one is not working. So now you can see the Roblox is installing, and it's a very very short process.